Hi, welcome to the Hydro Garden TV channel. Today we're live from the warehouse and we're going to be talking to you about our range of tents, the LightHouse range. So as you can see, we've got quite a variety of tents to suit everyone's budget, everyone's growing environment. So the first one in the range is the LightHouse clone station. This measures 700 by 500 by 900. It's got features U-zip doors, 210 denier, that's the thickness of the material inside the tent, and it's also got apertures which measure 4 inch. So this is perfect for propagation. You could fit T5 light or any sort of propagation light in there, and a number of propagators depending on your, what you're looking at doing. So you can work with this stood up, upright, or you can sit it on its side if you were choosing to use a couple of propagators. That's the clone station. The next one in the range is our budget tent. Currently this is only available in 1.2. This tent features U-zip doors, same material thickness again, 210 denier, and then the apertures in this are 6 inch. You've got a drip tray featured in there as well, so if you're on a budget, this is a good tent for you. 16mm poles and plastic corners. Next one in our range is the LightHouse Light. This is available in a range of sizes. I think they start quite small, about 0.6, and then they go up to 2.4. Material thickness is the same again, so 210 denier. The apertures in this are slightly bigger, so these are 10-inch apertures, so they're slightly easier to work with bigger sizes of ducting and whatnot. These now feature metal corners, so they're just a little bit more sturdy than the budget variety. The next one in the range at the back here is the LightHouse Max. We do these in a whole host of sizes from 0.5 by 1 metre right the way through to 3 metres squared, so real big size tents. This is where the specifications go up. So the material thickness now goes up to 600 denier, so that's how the tightness of the weave of the material. So that's thick material. All the air sockets in here have been wrapped up now as well, so these are all now 12 inch. The other thing to mention is the pole thickness, which we'll show you later, is now gone up as well. So on the bigger sizes above 1.2, they're 25mm poles. The smaller sizes are 22mm poles, so the poles are nice and thick. You can hang on off them if you want to, but they're super strong, so you can hold sort of big size filters and whatnot. Next one in the range is the LightHouse Max XL. So the difference between the Max and the XL is just it's a bit taller. So these are an extra 20 centimetres in height. Better if you're using, say, 1000-watt lights and you need to try and get that extra space from your plant. But also if you're looking at trying to make the most out of your bedroom or growing space or wherever it may be, these will pretty much now go up to the roof of whatever room you're in. These are available in sort of footprint sizes of 1.5, so they're available in 1.5 by 1.5, they're available in 3 metres square, and also 3 metres by 1.5, but they're all 2.2 high, so that's the LightHouse Max. And then the last one in the range is the LightHouse Lofts. These are available in 2 sizes. This one we have here, which is 1.2 by 1.2 by 1.8, and then we also do a 1.2, a longer one by 2.4, and then we have a height of 1.8. The material thickness in here is the same as in the Max range, so it's 600 denier. It's got metal corners, the poles are 22mm thick, and like with all our tents, they're all double stitched on the zips, so they're completely light tight, and this one just features straight doors. So there you go. So this is a full range of tents. They'll meet anyone's requirements if you're on a budget, or if you want something that's really premium and you want thicker poles, or something you want to go into a bigger space, or something you want to go in a confined area like a loft. So there you go. There are our tents. Thank you.